Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. How are we all doing today? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Happy weekend to you. I hope all is well with you. Yes, I've decided to record the video because I've been very busy today and I am not supposed to, bring this video through this method, like recording it, like, this is the kind of video that I love to bring on our live stream because much needs to be discussed about this. It is something that many of you know. Many of us already know what Ocha represent. But before then, let me appreciate all of you that send me different links, different videos on my WhatsApp. You are, you are darling. All of you, I can't even mention the names because so many people have called my attention on different information, what is going on and all that. I appreciate you. So you know yourself, and may God bless you very, very, very well for me. Please give me your ear because we are going to go through this video together. It may be a very, not too long video, but we have to spend our time to do justice to the video. Before then, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you are new to this platform, please subscribe. Share this video so that you get to many people. Reason is because many people have seen or know what happened from Finland when Biafra was redeclared. Before then, people know and have listened to some videos of some people who try to create history where there's no history. People like Imam Madabo, Ada, why is such in France? Why is such in France? Ezenagu. People like Eggman, people like the guy called the one that is inside of a website. Okay, I often forget his name. I have to think and think before I remember his name. The one I've discussed about him many times here on my channel. Not Azubike, yeah. And the other guy, of course, Asayan Yog, aka Ogekere. And I've mentioned Imam Madab, success. Many of them, many enablers. Of course, the chief liar of our time, Sonak Marawa. These are a group of people that know that they cannot offer something good, but they choose to do otherwise. They started by making sure they put somebody who can do something which they cannot do down. And today, they are criticizing each other. How can you criticize somebody that you have done something that you yourself is doing? Both of you are the same. But don't act as if you are different from the other person. All of them from SIA, Biafra Unite. Name, the list is endless. That's what PM called afterthought betrayers. All of them are included in the same ship. I've said it here, and I'm gonna say it again. In case if you see yourself today that you are standing on the side of the truth, please make sure you put this into your daily life. Before you come out and begin to pick on somebody, make sure that you verify your information. And don't base your information on one person alone. No matter how real that information sounds to your ear, pay attention to the other people, hear what the person wants to say. All the cooked up stories, all the lies, all the evil plans they are planning, to make sure they tear USB government down. COS is this, and Costa is this and that. She's what is the name of this group? The People's Club of Nigeria. She's the one that she's the founder. Oh, she founded a political party in Nigeria. That they have used everything, unimaginable stuff, just to make sure that the lender are useless and the US they destroy the template that PM built. I will try my best to minimize the hour or minutes that you're gonna spend here on this video. I will try my best, but please hit the like button and make sure that you follow us as we go through this video. All right, now listen.
Of communication.
Now this is Eggman, his latest video. He made the video in response to what Ocha claimed about on her own video. I have watched the video of Ocha, but it's quite long, so I watched some minutes there, and I was like, I already knew where the whole thing is going. Like I told you, You know, when they formed CRC Republic, which I prefer to call four deep Republic, maybe they want to also create more four deeper, because where I'm going, you know, we call it four deep Republic, but I think this one is going to four deeper Republic, from four back to four deep, and now four deeper. Maybe they're going, after that they will create more four deep Republic. These are you know, jokers. Honestly, they are jokers. Everything you know that is gonna help the freedom or the well-being of our people, you don't need to be worshipped for you to come out and do it. But you see, lies and propaganda it will lead you nowhere. Why is Ocha? Many of you know how I condemned her connection to the men on ground, and I told you what I'm not even supposed to tell you, because I'm not the kind of person that love to discuss what somebody told me in confidence in public. But being who she is, I have no other choice than to let you know what she told me. And even people warned me when she was in contact with me. Shout out to all of you. I don't want to start mentioning names. Not one, not two. They warned me, be careful what you are discussing with this woman. She could record you for a time like this. I told them I'm not the kind of person that discuss something in secret for you not to bring it out. Even if you bring it out, it will dirty somebody's image, not me. Because what if I decide to tell you something in confidence, not in public, that thing could be detrimental or could lead people to, you know, dirty somebody's image, and that thing cannot come from me. I cannot be originator of that. For example, if somebody called me and I said that, let's say that PM Mazamanekpa committed so thing, then I know if I bring it in the public, it will somehow stem PM, not stem the person or stem me. So if I discuss it to somebody else and you think that you are bringing it out to hot sky report, you're actually hurting PM or that person that told me that, not me. I know I'm not going to go deeper on this, what I said. Now, those who can relate will understand what I'm trying to say. Why is Ocha trying her best to lure me to this nonsense that they're doing? And then I resisted it. And as God may have it, when she claimed that she received call from PM, which I don't believe, she was calling me, but I was not able to pick the call. About 2 days, we couldn't talk. When I call back, she will be in her work, she'll be at work and everything. So the communication stopped at that period of time. I'm not saying that because I could have joined, no. But I'm regretting not even devote that time to talk to her then, because that would have helped me to even hear that made her to fall back. But that is really for another day. Now, she told me how she was communicating with those and people on ground, and that is just a fact. This is making it 4 or 3 times that I've said this in my videos. Now let me go. I'm saying that for you to know that when people say that she's talking to men on ground, it's not a hearsay, it is true. It is a raw truth. And she has even said it to you guys that she's no matter say to go to the account, we get it today. Tell yes, they go get it account direct. Yes, this is something that PM kicked against. Even Mazamukano is not in support of that kind of lifestyle in a movement like this. I'm not going to waste much of your time. Let me just allow Eggman to say this. Then we will not do justice to that before we end this video. Like I said, please do me a favor and share this video, and make sure you like the video, of course. Very, very important. And your comment is very, very essential here. We need to hear from you. Know, when I go through comment section, I always feel joy, because it simply means that a lot of our people are still, well trained in terms of maintaining what PM actually wants. Yes, I've told those many times, USB government is not angel or saint that cannot make any mistake. They have to make mistakes. They are human beings. But you cannot use that to dirty and lie to people and lead people to nowhere. Now listen, let's hear from Eggman.
Our angel, our man in the battlefield, commander makeup or angel makeup, release an intel to Biafrans to beware of the activities of the zoo zoo cronies or zoo agents in Biafra land or zoo enablers in Biafra land in the form of their governors of all the states, from old Abia to old Enugu to old Imo to old Anambra and to old Ebonyi. All their governors and all of the evil they are planning upon Biafrans. And to Chukwokika Biama be the glory, this message came, and then our intel gathered it, and Biafrans are duly informed on how they should behave and why they should be careful. And it actually came from the defense headquarters. Any message from defense headquarters is a message from the government. Any message from defense headquarters is a message from Briggy government. And if there is any misinformation going around and calling names of our people, especially the Biafra Governing Council, and mentioning the name of Imam Madabu with insult, please disregard. That is insensitive, that is illiteracy, that is foolishness at its highest order. Before you go out and insult anyone out there, you should understand that the message that comes from the angels on ground is authority from the defense headquarters. And it's a message that comes from the government.
No gym, no cardio.
Message that comes from the government. So you don't expect someone else from another department to come and speak before Biafrans will learn. As a media personnel, if you are working in the interest of Biafra, all you need to do is to share that message from Angel Makeup and make it go viral to create awareness. You don't talk like a drunkard, insulting people and making them feel that they don't know what they're doing.
Sorry, I actually don't want to pause it, but please permit me to do that. She first called her illiterate, now a drunkard. Just note that. There's a reason why I called your attention on these two words. Because one, I use one on my title, illiterate. And here, let me take this away. Here, you will see it on my carnival just now. Let me get it up so that you yourself can relate. You get why, there's a reason why. Look at it there. Adadorama, you are a drunkard. Now, I intentionally put it here. It's not my word. This is from Eggman. So please don't hold me on that. This is Eggman. Now, this our brother Eggman, who know nothing but to break eggs, is trying to joke or insult Adadorama Ezenagu Ocha in France. Not because she don't deserve it. She do. In fact, if there's any other better word to use, that is what she's in that category. She have done more harm than good. I'm not saying it to paint her bad, please. I don't have any hatred on anybody. But if you come after me, I will come after you. Be you who. That is me. If you talk back to me, I will talk back to you. Keep as well. Friendship is not a must. It's not do or die affair. If you want me, I want you. If you respect yourself, people will respect you. This woman started talking to men on ground for a reason. I still believe that why Ocha is not here for Biafra. She could be working for somebody. And there's somebody that one person sending me a message, one of our sisters sent a message to me yesterday, day before yesterday, on my WhatsApp. I just read, when I saw that message, I read it, and when I read it, I said, okay, it's something that I knew that this is what she is. She's not here for freedom. It is difficult for you to believe until you learn how to retain the reasons behind what that statement. A woman who undermined the cabinet, a woman who think that COS is doing what she's doing for herself, a woman who don't even obey PM. And she's now trying to tell you that she's not for PM and all that, as if she maybe I don't think she have forgotten, because we still have the video. The video is everywhere. But she always trying to act as if she couldn't remember. There was a time this woman was bashing PM because of if you're Ubiko. I played that video here some time ago. where she claimed that if your Ubiko PM, you are wrong. PM, you are this. Is the PM deep down your mind? Name and beginner. The name and the better here. And you need to apologize to if your Ubiko. That if not, that the spirit of Biafra is about to leave you. That you need to do something to make sure that. So I have used that video here, but you know, I'm the kind of person that I don't keep much video. Once I use that video, I will discard it, because that's why some people claim that I'm keeping the information. I was shocked, but that is the story for another day, though. Everything you need to know about human is on social media, and the earlier you begin to retain or keep or install some of the information in your memory, is good. It's better for you, so that you will not be a victim of a nonsensical lifestyle. Eggman was praising her for exposing USB. All of them. Today, that she is doing the same thing to them now. This is just preamble. The real deal is yet to come. So that after dealing with you people, after she must have dealt with you people, you will not support anything evil again. And this should be a lesson to all of us. In your own way, in your own little space. Do not support evil, because it could be your turn tomorrow. Now, what somebody ordered may end up biting you. But if you condemn evil, I want you to God get that, because now akagide Ocha equity. You don't support evil. Your hands are clean. Let's continue, because some of us think that is not them. Now them need to get to your top. Today is US. Everybody want to tear apart. Everybody want to. It is okay, but remember, tomorrow you may find yourself in leadership position, and that thing that you are supporting and could be other people may end up doing that to you. How will you feel? That is what some of us don't remember. That does not mean that if you want to correct or same thing that USB government is not getting right, you can also put it not to attack, not to devour, not to destroy. So that but this idea of let us cover our own, cover me, I cover you system, it doesn't work that well, because tomorrow it could be your turn. Yes, you may succeed in destroying, and tomorrow you may need people to build, and people may not allow you or support you to build. You get the point? Listen to Eggman.
Stop it. You don't do such. Because this is government, and the authority is disseminated from every department.
He himself understands that this is government. He was the one that sent success number for Ogengre to start contacting men on ground. You see, in a space of how many months now, everything now is coming to make more sense. He told us publicly that who is Ogengre, that without him giving number, even this United said it. You gave success number for Ogengre to start contacting men on ground. Today, you are not criticizing other people, someone contacting men on ground. What is different between you and that? I hope people are following what I'm saying, because that's why I said I would have loved to discuss this online live broadcast, so that people will understand, people will now, so we can reason together. But sometimes iron sharpens iron. We need to do it. You need to call it what it is without holding back any word. A lot of these people know what they're doing. They are doing it deliberately. They know they are doing it intentionally, because how can you, since you know all those things, Eggman, contacting men on ground behind government is a taboo, right? What was your intention when you gave success number to Ogengre? What was your motive? Was it not for him to contact men on ground? Which you yourself know that he can't do that when PM was here. Even why he says that. But they will come out and start telling that now he protect our land. As if you are not from the same land. What are they talking? What are they not telling us? We can put call to our family members and know what is going on. I'm not saying they are not killing people in our land. They do kill. Okay? Security agents of Nigerian government are manhandling our people. No, it's not start today. Go and check people that died in Aba. protest. Even after kidnap of Master Ghana, you remember when Biafrans that supported US that they put on the similar attire with that clothes that Master Ghana is wearing even today. Sometimes you put on that kind of clothes and all that. You remember the clothes that Master Ghana wore when they kidnapped him. There was a time people sew similar clothes, and they tend to wear that kind of clothes. They wear it and start protesting. And Nigerian government, attacked them and ended up killing many of them, hundreds of them. In 30th of May, when Biafrans sat down in one of the primary school in Biafra land to observe 30th May, sit at home. They went there and buy Biafrans. In Ocha protest, they buyed. In Ezenagu state, they buyed. In Headbridge, Onitsha, they buyed. So buying people did not start today. If we are to follow this nonsense people are saying that US is involved in killing, see, if you have evidence to that, bring it on. But you cannot say something to deceive mature people and think that people just follow you sheepishly. But what we are talking about is a matter of life and death. Do you know that indicting her, claiming that she have committed this and that, may lead people to go after her or her family mistakenly by believing what you are saying? And tomorrow, if they say, if you have bad people in your life, stand up or step out. You will refuse to stand up, you refuse to step out because to you have not bad people. How can you not say that you are not bad people? You make people to go out there and buy somebody, attack people, and you want to isolate yourself from that. So, Eggman, in as much as we condemn Nwayi for contacting men on ground, like we have been doing, though, we did not start today. What about you? What about you? What difference between you and Nwayi? All of these people, all these matured, okay, I don't know, everywhere, they are the same. They are irredeemable.
If you're a media, you have your place. That is the danger of some of the medias communicating with men on ground. You are now seeing yourself as an authority because you are communicating with one military personnel on ground. And mind you, it is against the government, against Mazen Namdekanu's order, and against our PM's order for anyone to be communicating with men on ground if you are not in the capacity of government. So if you are doing that already, you are disobeying the government and you must desist from that.
These people, you started business of, insubordination. You carry this business and you put it, the thing has grown beyond your own control. And today you want to build government and people are using insubordination to follow you up and you are crying out. Okay, let me remind us, for the sake of those who still have their senses, remember, my people, that COS stand with government structure. We all know. Listen, it doesn't matter if you like her or not. That is not the fact. It doesn't matter. What matters is what is job of COS. What is the job of government? PM formed government in exile. And you yourself, Eggman, you served as Deputy Information Minister. So now, then you guys know that you have been working and following this template of government in exile. Then you have what is called CS. Google is there. You can use Google. If you can use Wikipedia. You can use anybody. You can ask friends. What does it mean when people said COS, Chief of Staff? What does that imply? Like, what is the primary job of CS? PM knew that he have people like this kind of these gangsters. He still went ahead and gave the notification or instruction of surrogate. She's my surrogate, which means a deputizer, somebody who deputies somebody. It's also on Google. You can check Google. You find the meaning of surrogate. To validate the option of CS, that was why because PM know these people. He understand that that these guys don't listen. They'll pretend that CS just means go and bring me water. Like I don't know who Mama Biafra was actually educating them using your platform Eggman and Sana Barawa, telling the whole world that COS is a personal appointment to PM that it has nothing to do with the Biafrans. Lie from pit of hell. That is insubordination. And that is what you guys did that actually falling back, hammering you guys now. Somehow, why is Ocha God is using her to pay you people back? So you can test it. Now look at how you are vibrating. That is how we felt when you were doing your own. And like I said, you can't stop it. No. You can't, there's some sin that you commit in this life. You live to test it before you go. That is gospel. And today, the whole thing is turning back to you guys. When the agriculture, the male Greeks, diminishing return. So you have planted it, now you are getting it. You see, you cannot plant something and this kind of thing and expect people to just overlook it. You are the one, all of you, gang up. Not that you are not educated, not that it's not as if you committed this crime unknowingly. You know, you are aware of it, you knew everything, and you chose to do it deliberately. Like I said, everything going on now is not happening because maybe why you don't know. If you have to go back to your own life, what you did in the past 6-7 months, you can see. Now you are confessing, and you guys, and to you now you know what you are doing. Let us hear him more. Just listen.
You cannot be misbehaving in the media and destroying what we are doing in the name of you are in the media. Whether you are independent or dependent media, I don't care.
Fine. You remember after Biafran declaration in Finland, you used because you are independent media, you are information media. What did you do? You guys came out and began to chant that the government suspend, like as if that is the problem. Even though you guys know what you have in mind and what you want, you hid it from Biafrans and they keep on ranting and shouting that how can she stop fundraising? Does it mean that she undermining Biafran Liberation? Because then you are trying to use that to corrupt the mindset of Biafran Liberation Army. Today, judging by what Buto said a few days ago about that, how CS and trying to was deceiving PM and all that and that the position was made for Madam Azoka. All the stories, one of you actually could be the one that passed that to Buto, of course, and Buto solidified that by communicating with Madam Azoka, of course. When I don't know who said that she's tired, she's not going after the re-declaration, what did she do? She disappeared and waited for some time and come back again because she came back to revenge. See, I said it yesterday, let me say it again. Everything these people are doing is for one thing. They just want one result. Not to get Biafra, not to make one result. And that result is what? You may like to know, right? That result is this. Make sure that COS is being dragged down. They don't mind to start afresh, start afresh, start building autopilot. They don't mind. The game, the end means the target is to make sure that they make everything ungovernable. That is the primary job. That is primary target. That is their result they are digging and fighting for. And you who have different agenda, who have different motive, are buying and falling into this trap. They are laying day in, day out. Listen to him again.
I am giving you a sound of warning. Desist from that nonsense and stop insulting the authority in Brigi. If you like, insult another person, but this Brigi is what you belong. Except if you don't belong to Brigi. And you say, if money is not all we need. If money is not all we need, no problem. We need other intels, and that is the intel that the Angel Makeup have released. Instead of making noise and insulting people, out of whatever influence, I don't know, you should get busy.
When you hear whatever influence, he's trying to connect it back to what he said earlier, that she's a drunkard. She's talking out of influence of alcohol. So no matter the liquid substance that the woman have taken, which many people can testify that somehow she act like one. I'm not here to exonerate her from that, because her attitude, her appearances, her words, you can't deny that she's not, snuffing or smoking or drinking something. You know what I mean by that? So it's best not to, but I don't think that she's trying to snuff anything, because she's not financially buoyant to buy anything like a baby powder or ashes. You know what I mean? So I don't think she's financially okay to go. But sometimes people who are not even financially stable are the one getting themselves addicted to baby powder, like Johnson powder. You know what I mean? Now listen, let's continue.
And share the message of Angel Makeup for Biafrans to beware. That is coming from the government. That's what you do. Not to think that by making noise you are making sense. You are just making noise. You are not making sense.
Finally, like I said, even now, you guys understand how much that everything you said here, you don't mention her name. Likewise, she did not mention your name. But on my way, nobody will not. We know other things.
So please advise yourself further and desist from such reckless behavior. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. We will not condone such nonsense going forward. Communicating with men on ground is error. It is abominable. It is treason.
Okay.
Communicating, you as a media personnel, communicating with men on ground, it is treasonable, it is an error, and if you are found to be doing that, you will be sentenced by the government.
So who actually connected to men on ground because of you, Eggman? I am not saying this to defend Nwayi, but I'm just trying to let us know that they are the same. There's no different. There's no different. You gave Nwayi sorry, Eggman, Asanyayo, Deriko Wamama. You gave him the contact of success, and success being who success is, because that one is another primordial. Because all this thing that's going on, he have not come out to say it, because he understands the crime, the level of crime he has committed. He knew, and he's running, hiding, and all that. Listen, people can do and don't do, honestly. Oh God.
So beware and stay clear from men on ground. If men on ground, if the authority is coming from the defense headquarters, all you need to do is share the message.
Uncle, why you such a sent a voice message a few days ago? You were released. Why is on social media that I don't know who said it to her? All these things, you guys forgot that you are not talking to kindergarten children. You are talking to mature grown-up men that have passed through, hot and cold weather. You are not talking to primary nursery school children. What are you guys talking about? Some people that you are talking to are far better than you in every ramification. Financially, contact, age-wise, life experience, name it. You don't know. The only thing that's why I love Master Mulakan. He took his time to study our people, and he gave free lecture. In case if you want to work for, you want to be recognized or appreciated by Biafrans or Igbo people, things you need to do: truthful, be sincere, and consistently truthful. That's all. That's the key. Not buy over, pay over. Our people will receive the money, yet you still you are still behind. It's gospel. I'm not telling you what I don't know.
Don't go about constituting nuisance, creating panic where there is no panic, and talking from left, right, and center, insulting everybody in the name of trying to make sense, whereas you are not making any sense whatsoever. Stop and stop and stop. To be forewarned, I repeat, is to be forearmed. We are in a very critical situation, and if you want to solve this problem, is it by making such noise? If you really mean well and you have the interest of Biafra and an interest of the people at heart, by making such noise and insulting with such way, is that how you will resolve the problem? And you say money is not what we need. What do we need? By you making noise or by somebody else from the cabinet coming to talk, is it going to create more pencil or more ruler or more instrument to combat the enemies? Now, to get all the rulers and all the needed items to combat the enemies, is it noise? Is it not money? And if you cannot, support with the finance, and you are discouraging Biafrans from going to support where they ought to, do you think what you are doing will help? So Biafrans, I'm going to leave it here, and I encourage us, please and please, do not listen to such gibberish. Follow the government and do what the government says. Right now, we are going into the fundraising and it is indoors. Join us if you will. Otherwise, you go to www.ipobinus.org.
So my people, everything he said here is the reason why that Nwayi was expelled from USB. The same crime. With these guys, this one celebrated it and was happy. Today, Yaba go to USB order. Na tasi hawana if we na feed that python koga me for to show him. What do you learn from this? Because here on equality, what do you learn from this? One, even if you don't capture anything here to help your own personal life, know this. Whenever you see something that is evil, condemn it. Whether it's coming from government or it's being perpetrated on any, or indigent, like a Biafran. Whoever, once you see something that is not good, condemn it. What if condemning what government is doing is to put them in check, for them to keep on doing good for your own betterment. Not blackmailing government. They are two different things. And many of us, out of our own upbringing, think that once you call it, once you see something, you condemn something, simply means that you're attacking. And that is what the issue I am having with some people that are yapping nonsense, but I don't care, honestly. All I want is to maintain what I believe that is good and tell you the truth. Why is Ocha today is somehow stranded? Like I told you, she's gone. That's just the fact. And any group that's trying to manage her, you are on your own. This is who she is. She can't change. She can't change. Please let me know your take on this. Like I said, if you have chance, you may touchlight it again. Of course, this is just Genesis. More will still come up, and we're gonna deal with it once we lay hands on it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all the discourse so far. Hopefully, we will come live today, and please keep your eyes on that. Like the video and your comment, like I said, please, is very important. I hope to hear from you. God bless you. Bye bye for now.